Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade cupcakes without oven easy guide. Start by preparing a simple batter with 1 cup flour, 1 egg, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/4 cup milk. Heat a pot with a rack and simmer water gently. Pour batter into lined molds and place on the rack, cover tightly, and steam until set. Cool briefly, then frost and enjoy warm cupcakes with friends. For a fast treat, try microwave mug cupcakes that cook in under 2 minutes. Combine 1/4 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 tsp baking powder, 2 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon oil, and a beaten egg in a greased mug. Mix until smooth and microwave on high for 50 to 70 seconds. Allow the cake to cool a bit, then add your favorite frosting or a dusting of cocoa for an instant dessert. Quick recommendation: if you love spending more time baking and less time cleaning, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor care and voice control convenience. It helps free up minutes so you can focus on whisking, steaming, or microwaving cupcakes without stress. If this sounds useful, subscribe and like for more simple kitchen hacks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. A skillet can mimic an oven when used carefully on the stovetop. Preheat a heavy skillet on low and place a trivet or foil disc inside to lift cupcake tins off the base. Arrange lined tins on the trivet, cover tightly with a lid, and cook for about 18 to 25 minutes until a skewer comes out clean. Rotate tins once if needed, then cool and frost for a lovely homemade batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.